Let's see, what am I doing today? Is Saturday. I am planning to make biryani. Oh, brushing teeth, getting ready. Daily routine, of course. Let's start the day. I'm ready. Okay, let's go on the street. La 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 la. That's cool, no? So here is the chicken shop. Chicken is tender and juicy here. Ignore the ambience. Okay, groceries done. Okay, auntie, thank you. Okay, chicken is set to clean it up. I add turmeric and salt to clean the chicken. You can add or skip it up as to your choice. Can you imagine? Biryani is going to be really very tasty in this rice cooker. Okay, nothing I have said. Like you can see, it is normal bowl. I haven't set the bowl inside the rice cooker yet. The bowl is out. Rice cooker is at its own place. Don't think as if I'm heating it, I'm washing the chicken. No. Hey Pudina, what are you doing there? क्या रे तेरे को? Still some more time. I'm just like, washing of chicken is take time, dude. Leave for half an hour. Wash, remove all the red blood cells if you get it. Plug them out. That's the best thing you can do. Salt, of course. To wash, I'm adding salt, really, because I feel it breaks down the antioxidants, or I don't know. Yeah, I'm just like telling. My mother taught me this way. I'm doing this way. I don't know much science about this, but I feel it to be very hygiene. No, if you're adding salt and turmeric, obviously most of the germs will get out. Maybe some helpful bacteria may also come out. You may tell that it is a helpful bacteria. I don't know. I feel it very stinky, so I wash it very thoroughly with turmeric. Washing it's done. Let's set that out in one other bowl. I'm adding salt for marination. Salt, mix well. At this point only, I'm adding my hands. I'm using my hands. Later points, I won't be using my hands because my skin is very sensitive. I make recipes very rarely, so it hurts. It starts burning. So I won't be using my hand later. But if you are really pro, you can start using your hands. I'll use spatula. Hey spatula, come here. Start wiggling. Go. Let's go. Hey, how are you, man? I didn't ask you. You only. You're so good. Please subscribe, yaar. I'm sharing you a good recipe. It's gonna come really well. You'll feel very surprised. Okay. Add some this one chili powder, mint leaves, cilantro, chillies. Mix well again. Okay, I'm requesting you to subscribe. It's your wish. Curd goes in. Yeah. It's proper curd only. Just mix with spatula. I'm mixing with spatula. With hand, it really comes well. My mother mixes with hand. I don't have my mother here. I'm a bachelor living, so I'm using spatula. I told you, right? Lemon goes in. One lemon. Yeah, added it. Don't worry, I can't share it. I'm the person who's shooting and doing this. That's the reason why I can't be very good at shooting. So you just see the recipe now. I added some biryani masala as well. Secret recipe of my mother. I can't show you. That secret recipe biryani masala, you can get it from any store. I don't know what is the recipe she uses. It's like normal herbs only, Indian spices. Okay, rice cooker is set. Within that, I added oil. After oil, I added some bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cloves, etc. So here goes onion. If you bite it, I'll tear it. That's the policy of onion, no? It'll make you cry if you are tearing its roots. Here is chicken which got marinated. Here is going onion which is getting deeply fried. Make sure to fry the onion well. The brownish of this color will all determine the color of biryani. If you're not getting proper color like saffron color biryani, that's not my fault. I'm suggesting you, I'm just like giving a tip. Here it falls, the color of biryani, not within that particular masalas. Here the role of getting that color is here, man. See, I'm just like, seriously, this lot of efforts. You should appreciate it. At least a like, or if you have any suggestion, please do comment. Here goes ghee. I didn't add it, but I'll add later. I love the essence of it. If you don't like it, most of the people, I don't know why people don't like ghee, man. If there are people who don't like ghee, mention in the comment. That adds really a lot of value to me. So you see, the onions are tender and brown. Chicken should go in now. Go, man. I can't touch you. You only go. 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 Okay. Chicken is all in the bowl. I'll start frying it. I'm adding tomatoes. I don't know, people don't like tomatoes in biryani, but I love it because the tenderness of it, again, it'll add a lot of color and taste to the biryani. I love the way. If you don't like it, skip tomatoes. Later part, I'll be adding tomatoes for sure. You'll be seeing it. Okay. Ghee. Go, ghee. Had it already. I'm just like showing. You don't think like it's only a few drops of ghee that is there. No, I added one packet of 10 rupees packet. That's it. The total cost is like 340 rupees, ma'am, to make this whole biryani of half kilo biryani. It totally turned into 1 kilo of biryani with rice, half kilo chicken. So tomato added. Here is the rice that I soaked it for at least 1 hour. Actually, I think. Now already chicken started releasing water. You can see I cooked it. I left it for at least 10 minutes. So I think like chicken also got cooked. A little bit of tenderness is actually what I need. So you can see there are no tomatoes to see, right? Add tomatoes if you like. If you don't like, mention in the comment. That adds value to me. See, liking a video, subscribing a video, nothing goes from your pocket, man. Just don't be conjuice. I'm not being conjuice in adding masalas. Why are you being conjuice in subscribing to my channel? Here goes rice. I'm adding it without adding water before because I need that aroma within the rice. The aroma you see. You know, in Telugu there is one dialogue. Ila tiskon ala nakalanmata. So that I love it. The dialogue in Deshamudu. If you like something, just mention over there. So I'm adding some water to this rice flour. The ratio would be 1:2. I'm reducing 1 cup of water because chicken already started releasing water. It is approximately 1 cup equivalent. If I'm adding more water, biryani will be like, what is say, halwa. I don't want that kind of biryani. Should be like biryani. So for the same reason, I'm leaving it. I'm so tired. See the outcome, the colorful biryani, the tomatoes, bay leaves, everything. The piece I'll show you. See, yemi ruchi, tinara mai marichi. See, everything is well. Perfect. I don't need to mix anything with spatula. Everything got mixed by itself. Nothing got burnt. It is the perfect texture. Can you see? The perfect texture of biryani. I'll leave for some more.